Everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: b plus 1 over 1 plus b equals to 2. And this video we are going to use two methods to find the solution that can satisfy this equation that we have been given. Solution. Now of course here we have to copy what we have. We have b plus 1 over 1 plus b equal to 2. And of course right here, what can we do now? Here we have to make cross multiplication. We have b plus 1. Then here we have 2, 1 plus b. So that here of course we have b plus 1, which is equals to 2 plus 2b. Right? And of course here we have b plus 1 minus 2 minus 2b, and of course this should be equals to 0. Right? Then of course here we shall get b and negative b, we shall get negative b, and of course here I have negative 1 equals to 0. And of course here I have negative b equals to 1, so that here b is equals to negative 1. According to the denominator we have, b must not be equals to negative 1, so that this equation shall not get the right answer. That's to method 2. Method 2. So we have here b plus 1 over 1 plus b equals to 2. Of course you have to make cross multiplication. Of course you have b plus 1, which equals to 2 open bracket of 1 plus b, and of course this is b plus 1, which equals to 2 plus 2b. And of course this is what we have right here. Now we can say that here b equal to 2 minus 1 plus 2b. Then by square both sides here, what should we get here? Of course we have b squared, which equals to 1 plus 2b, then squared. Now of course here this is b squared, which equals to, this will be here 1 squared plus 2, 1 times 2b, then plus 4b squared. And this is b squared, which equals to 1 plus 4b plus. Now what do we have here? We have 2b, so that we shall get 4b squared right here. Right? Now here we have b squared, which equals to, by rearranging, we have 4b squared plus 4b, then plus 1. Then of course we shall get 4b here minus b squared plus 4b plus 1, which equals to 0. And of course we have b 3b squared plus 4b plus 1 equals to 0, so that two numbers can multiply together to get 3, and their sum is 4. It is 3 and 1. Have b squared plus 3b plus b plus 1 equals to 0, and 3b out to get b plus 1, and plus 1 right here to get b plus 1 equals to 0, and you have 3b plus 1 and b plus 1 equals to 0, and 3b, which is equals to negative 1, and b equals to negative 1 over 3, and b equals to negative 1, which is ejected. So we are going to check if this answer satisfy our equation b plus 1 over 1 plus b equals to 2. And of course here we have negative 1 over 3 plus 1 over 1 minus 1 over 3 equals to 2. Now, of course, here we have denominator of 3, negative 1 plus 3, right? Over here, we have 3, right? And we shall get 3 minus 1. And of course, this is equals to 2. What should we get here? We should get 2 over 3 times right here 3 over 2, which equals to 2. And of course, this and this and this and this get 1, which is not equals to 2. Therefore, this equation has no real solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.